Hi friends, today I need to tell about my carburetor. Around 2 years is simply sitting to my home. Then I think to take to Bangalore. Around 500 kilometer is there. I need to run the bike from the road. That's why, because I like journey around 500 kilometer. I need to reach there through bike because I like to repair my bike myself. That's why I need to clean my carburetor. Then the petrol tank, all of it is done mainly because of oxidation. That's the problem. It's contained on a carburetor. I need to, when I clean that for the cleaning purpose, I open my carburetor neatly. Then when we open the screw, just we want to put that one. Then it will be fine. Nothing rocket thing is there. No rocket thing is there. Just open the screw, then just we fix that one. The purpose of the I mean the scientific purpose. Nothing is there. The science is when we open the screw, just we need to put the screw there only. Okay. Then I open the carburetor. I need to clean all of it there. All of the dirt and aluminum oxidized powder is there because of fuel is evaporated. That one, then the fuel, because it's closed, fuel nozzle is there. I closed that one. That way, the carburetor content of petrol, that one is evaporated. That's why this kind of powder will accumulated there. Then I use for the cleaning purpose using the vinegar. The vinegar containing acetic acid. The vinegar help to dissolve the white powder and oxidation easily. For the safe purpose, then safe of metal is there. This is unlike a strong acid. Vinegar safe and will not damage the aluminum body of the carburetor. For the deep cleaning purpose, it penetrates deep into the small hole and checks cleaning dirt completely. Then after the soaking and cleaning vinegar, to use the one to dry after the cleaning from water. Then we need to for the prevent the oxidation, we need to use petrol or WD-40. I used petrol only. Then a lot of screw are there and chokes are there. Now let us look at the main component of ideal screw is there. This is adjust the engine speed when the bike is stationary. Accelerator not given from outside. The ideal screw will work. Then air fuel screw is there. Look at the air fuel screw is there. This one is control the mixture of air and fuel entering the engine. Then the choke is there. But the choke is used for cold start. When the morning just we try to start the bike, it's not work. Then we use the choke. It is provide a rich fuel mixture to get the engine run smoothly. Then tuning. How to tune that one? The first gently tighten the screw all the way in. Then back it out about 1.5 to 2.5 turns. 2 means WTWO. Then half turns. Then it's neatly done. Because of this is glamour bike. I mean the glamour bike. Oh, start the engine and fine tune it to point where the engine turn at its smoothest. Just look the voice sound of the engine. The smooth sound is there, no? That is the way for the tuning purpose there. Then reason for engine missing. There is a reason engine missing is that only because of the white powder and the dirt get stuck into the main jet and the pilot jet. This rejects the fuel flow and you accelerate the casing of the engine to miss. That's why when we go for throttle, we'll be using the throttle valve. Throttle will be going up no. Because of that reason, chance to get the missing. Then after through the cleaning and proper tuning, the engine is now running beautifully. Now I am happy. RAM memory is increased. That's why I go for to delete. I think I need to delete that one. That's why I need to put today itself my YouTube video. Thank you so much.